Hello everyone, let's glue book and my magazine only glue book. And what this means is I'm just going to use just magazines. I'm not going to use all the other things that I find around my desk and in my stash and things like that. I'm finding it hard to find a magazine. So I'm going to probably just use this 2020 magazine and some of the cut apart. This is a book, so I'm going to have to put that back. Some of my cut apart that I don't have a lot because I'm having trouble. I can't find my Christmas ones from years past. Now watch me find it at the end. But anyway, like I said, this is for mainly, I'm trying to show new beginners that you could just have your favorite magazine and your book, glue book, and just start. It just go with it. So I'm going to turn to the page. Normally I do not put a whole page down like that and go, but this one is speaking to me. I could have cut around it, but I don't know. Let's go to a fresh page. Let's go to a fresh page. Move that, so that could be used for background. That's probably why I stuck that in there. Alrighty. Let's go with this page. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, well. Oh, this is for basically for beginners, where I'm trying to show people. There's some people who like to cut out a lot of things and store it and things of that nature, and they find that very therapeutic. Because, you know, the fussy cutting and things like that. Then there's some people who say, oh, I don't have the space to store. And I don't have the, you know, I want to just start gluing. And this is for you. This is for you. We are going to we're going to harvest the book. And we're going to use it right away. We're not going to store it because this is a pretty green. Oh! Wow. Wow. Oh, no. That's gorgeous. This is for you because some people don't have the room. Now, I don't have the room for nothing. That's what's at. If y'all have saw me fuss, and my room is so tiny. It's tiny, so I'll put things up and won't realize it. I don't know. I don't want to, I may have to cut the camera off and cut him out properly. He is absolutely gorgeous. Oh. Y'all, this is from 2020, so y'all wanted to order him. It may be too late. Oops. I may cut it off, the camera off, because I'm already... Did I finish my thought? If you wanted to just go on and just start cutting and harvesting and gluing at the same time, this is for you. Now, see, some people find it therapeutic just to sit quietly and cut images out and store it and organize it, and that's fine. And it's fun. So we're going to freestyle it. I was getting ready to say this page here, that green is gorgeous. And very much, yeah, for the season. I'm not putting this right. You know, sometimes you get two pictures of the same thing, of the same image. I wish this came in more than one time. Ooh, I could just here take a picture of it and he is simply gorgeous. But then I would have to stop the computer, wouldn't it? But when I glue them down, if I don't layer something over it. finding in some of these newer magazines, they say it's a Christmas edition, but they don't have a lot of Christmas images. It's almost like they're trying to make it, I don't know, not look too holiday-ish for people who don't celebrate it. But it's a holiday. You're saying it, I don't know. So it's not like Halloween, you know, not Halloween, or even the harvest seasons. Oh, that's not nothing like it. Where there's tons of images. So I'm not seeing it. Not in this one. This one's 2020. But he is beautiful. Oh, put him right here. So I'm just not seeing it in some of these magazines. Are you having? Ooh, this is tight, y'all. Messed me up. Look at him chilling. Let me get him. I don't know if I'm going to use the subject, but I have cut him out. Oh, gosh, y'all. Is this one going to be chatty? Sometimes if you could see what goes into, you know, just sitting trying to set up, gosh. And sometimes my attitude gets messed up. Oh, this is a holiday season. I'm going to try to keep it positive. Oh, it's just not much on here where I could get, because usually I wanted to get some of that green. Maybe I'll get it later. Now, that's a good picture, too, but I'll cut that out later. There he is again. And then they gave us little tags. That's cute. Maybe I'll get him later. Let's see. These are pretty colors. Yes, I do. I prefer these hefty slider bags opposed to these keeping it closed. I don't like that. I like these colors right here. I may have to pull that out for later. Oh, didn't I? Where did I put? See, this is what I mean. I will lose stuff. Didn't I just have... There it is. Oh, boy, but they wrote all up. I want to get that joy of giving right there. Oh, he's cute. Thanks for being my furry BFF. And these are cute. Okay, let's see. What else can I get? What's good? Oh, that's cute. Triple the care for your little bear. Okay, this is too floral. I'm more sitting and looking. Aren't I supposed to be tearing stuff out? Love this. This pumpkin spice is my favorite. You know what? I have never had the peppermint mocha. I'm not a chocolate person in my alright, I'm gonna do something now. I'm gonna use a lot of that little background. You know, it's too large. But I like it, I like it. Oh, I'm gonna cut off some of your antlers. I like that. I like that. That makes me happy. So I'm going to glue it down. Like I said, I don't normally. I might glue it. Look, I don't have it wrong. Oh. You know, sometimes you hear people complain about their craft rooms, and it's like, oh my God. No, this is like, gosh. I know I always have respect for this one crafter. He was just crafting on her kitchen table, y'all, and she was making it work. That was it. She showed it too. She crafted on her little kitchen table. And I was like, wow, I'm lucky to have a little tiny room. So, you know, you really check yourself before you start complaining. The only thing I wish is that if I wasn't trying to stay here, because I don't want to stay here, I would just have it configured differently. And that's it. I definitely do not want more space, because there's plenty of space. It's a teeny tiny room, but it's just poorly configured. But I definitely wouldn't want the space, because I wouldn't want to feel, you know, you get tempted to fill it. And I feel as though I have enough stuff. You know, even as a content creator, I feel like I have, you know, enough stuff. Maybe I don't have enough glue or adhesive, but, or paint or stuff like that. That stuff. But doodads and whatnots, and yeah, I have enough stuff. Normally I don't go for a huge image like that, but it spoke to me. I would just cut out the little cups, because I don't like using another artist's idea. See, it wouldn't be a Micki's Arts and Craft video. This is almost hit the floor. Oof. And sometimes when stuff falls for me, I can't find it. It will be lost in a abyss, because it will be tight beside my I'm gonna throw this away. Beside my desk, in between my desk and this chair, and I can't get in there and get it. Or behind the chair, and I can't get back there and get it. Oh, I like this. Okay, what's up with all the big pictures? I like that. I like that sleeper. Oh, I like him. And I like it. These pictures are large. I think that. Oh, look at her face. Oh, what? When you have sensitive skin, your clothes can turn on you. Oh, I didn't even see to notice that. She said, oh boy. Oh, then you got the little, wait. Oh boy. We may have to fast. Oh, this is tight. Okay, where'd my scissors go? Oh, y'all, the little tiny part of this desk that y'all see, that's all I have. It's junk right here. It's junk. Oh, but I think that's the only thing. I would want this configured. I would want to move out my chair that's beside here and just make one long desk. But then I was like, oh gosh, where would I sit? Because I watch TV right there. Oh, dude. Oh, if I could move back to, if I move back to lamp, y'all would be able to see. Oh. And y'all, I've already forgotten him. Don't forget me. Okay, y'all know what to say. Go ahead and say it. My cats will say, that's my voice. Oh, he's so beautiful. I'm beautiful. Oh. Alright, is this going to be just a bunch of... I guess it will be. Let's put him there. Let's just put him there. Oh, I just love you. I just love you. Yes, I do. Oh, he's so cute too. I like that tree, but I have a tree. Look at him. We gonna have to come back to this. Oh, I like that tree. Ooh. Cause you know there's to have a tree in here somewhere. Oh, I like. Ooh. like him. I wish all my good images was on the back of some farmer. Sometimes when the good images are on the back. Oh, I'm all over the place today, I feel like. Okay. Now if I find out that see, I'm talking in between and in betwixt the I can't call this ASMR. I'm feeling chatty. I just not chatting. I haven't used up all my words, but I feel chatty. But if I find out, I may have to just fast forward it and what do you call it? And do a voiceover. Oh, look at him. Why does he look forgotten? It's a sad picture. I'm sad. Okay, I'm gonna have to probably talk over this for a while, because I'm really not chatting too much. You know what, y'all really. So it's a week and a half before Christmas right now. I'm trying to edit everything because I have this video and I think I have one more. And so I'm going to it's a week and a half before that. I am done with the Christmas shopping and all that. I don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner. That's the only thing. I don't know. I don't know. I was going to try out a new recipe and I don't know. What are y'all doing? Do you have all your Christmas gifts all wrapped pretty under the tree and things like that? This year somebody got a little lazy and nobody wanted to help me, so we just lit the tree up and that was it. I didn't put any baubles or anything, and it's just fine. It's real pretty. Did anybody else do that, or am I by myself? Are y'all gonna leave me out here by myself? You're gonna leave me out there by myself? And no, Micki, you were supposed to go break out all your Bibles, even if nobody helped you put the Bibles on the tree and dress it. But I didn't feel like it, and I looked at everybody else's trees, and it's so pretty, but it don't look bad with just the lights because it's full, and the trees and the lights is pre-lit, and it's pretty. It's pretty because some people leave their tree up all year long with just like that. Now in my room, that's how I do. I have a little tree though, and each I have lights for. There's some like amber kind of yellowish lights for the fall season. I've got to go find some more because it blew out. But then around the spring, I have some lights to put on it that are more, springy. And then there's white lights always, and then Christmas lights. So I pretty much keep a tree up there, and then I rotate my no, not in there. I don't. In my craft room, I rotate in and out my Y'all need to know that part. I was gonna say my gnomes just to put beside the tree to make it festive, because yeah, I love my string lights. I really do love my string lights. So does anybody else just do that? Just sometimes I just didn't feel like it, and then you really see some really pretty rooms and pretty decorations, but mine is not. Mine is fine because I have the wreath up and I have the tree, and then I usually keep the red and I don't and things up until the day after Valentine's Day. Then I snatch it all down, and then the springtime. You know, because it's not that much Santa Claus stuff. Um, There's one. It's a sign from the Dollar Tree, and it was a black Santa, and I couldn't resist it. It was kind of vintagey, so I had that up a little bit in the kitchen. That may come down because it's not, after Christmas. But mostly it's just red and the lights, so they stay up. And snowman, so that's wintry. So I keep that up until Valentine's Day, and then I snatch that stuff down because I'm tired of it by then, and I'm ready for the green and spring and new life and all that kind of goodness. So, am I the only one? Are y'all leaving me out there to freeze because I ain't put any baubles on my tree? I sure didn't, y'all. Now I don't feel bad about it. Do not feel bad because it looks quite nice. But so comment down below. Don't be afraid. Won't hurt my feelings. Um, and what are you guys eating? Because I'm greedy. I always want to know that. I'm still full from Thanksgiving. But and that's a blessing. Thank you, Jesus. But I don't know. Normally don't eat too much. Maybe maybe I'll get the son to make pancakes and stuff. So that'll be that. Then eat something small. Yeah. So, do you have any traditions that you had you'd like to share? Share that down below. We do not. After well, I was gonna get sad. I was gonna say something sad, but I'm not gonna say it because it's the holidays and we're trying to keep it all positive and things like that. So I'm trying to chat this up because this is a long video. I don't know if I'm going to cut it down or not. I was really mad though that I really couldn't find, or disappointed rather. Excuse me, not mad that I couldn't find Christmas images like I did for Halloween and the fall season. It like I said in the beginning, it's almost like they're trying not to make their issues really Christmassy for the people who don't celebrate. But I just find that's unfortunate because it's put out and it says Christmas and it's about Christmas, but then when you open it up, it's not. And it's there really is no images, and which that's really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. I really liked him. He's summery, but he's going in there. That snowman, I wish there was another image of him. As he needs to go in a different type of journal too. I wish I could have put him in my random item one. But there he go. He's getting ready to go down. He's getting ready to go down. He's getting ready to be immortalized in this blue book. Oh, I haven't gone out to see the lights. Oh. And to go get my peppermint ice cream from DQ. That's pretty much what I like to do is go. I haven't really gone to see the lights in a long time. Did you go this year to go see the lights? But I think I want to go see the lights because it's kind of warm this year. Go see the lights and then go get some DQ peppermint ice cream. That's really tasty. I want to do that. I'm trying to at least get y'all to a half hour. Then, because see, you could use this one to craft with. I would hope that's what you would do. Uh, Before I put music on. Then the last half hour, I just probably play ambient Christmas music. Be like, yeah, make it be quiet. So I guess that's what I'm going to do. Is that? So I hope everyone will stay tuned, and I will put how it turned out at the end. Fast forward from here, and just go ahead and play the Christmas music from here. They have a lot of huge pictures uh, that I could cut out for later, but I would need a bigger book. Why am I cutting out the Raisin Bran? Oh, I think I like that purple. I do love some Raisin Bran, but I like the crunchy kind. The plain kind just tastes too plain because I don't put sugar on my cereal. I just eat it plain, and it's just a little too plain for my taste. And the crunchy is really sweet. But I like that. I heard somebody say that's for a Raisin Bran is for old people, but then I'm old. See, this is another tip. Try to use the colors that they have, or the what you see as background on your in your books. Because if you don't have pattern paper and you're just using magazine only, just use the color that you know you see some color that you like as a background. I do declare. Wait a minute. I might have to fast forward a little bit. Hey guys, I am gonna have to fast forward and cut it down because the last half of this, I end up talking for the rest of the video on the phone, so y'all can't. No, sorry guys, you can't join me talking on the phone. So I am gonna have to fast forward the last half. Oh, I am so sorry because I'm talking. At least I kept on going. I still kept gluebooking while I was talking on the phone. So the last half, I'm going to have to go ahead and put some Christmas music on because because I'm talking on the phone. So I will talk to you guys later.